Dear students, this video is for class 8 students of scholarship and especially about intelligence test. Before getting into the details of intelligence test, I hope that most of you must have written class 5 scholarship exam when you were in 5th standard. The pattern is same, method is same, but there can be someone new also. For them, I would like to just tell you the basics or information about scholarship exam. Scholarship exam is conducted in the month of February every year. Will be two papers. First paper is of first language and mathematics. In this case, it will be English, your first language, and mathematics. Language 25 questions and mathematics 50 questions, altogether 75 questions, each question carrying 2 marks, and total time is 1 hour 30 minutes, that is 90 minutes. 75 questions, 90 minutes, that is the equation. The second paper consists of the third language, in your case it will be Marathi, and intelligence test. Marathi language test for 25 questions will be there and 50 questions of intelligence test. Altogether 75 questions, 150 marks, 1 hour 30 minutes, again 90 minutes for 75 questions. The pattern was same in 5th standard when you were. And there will be a gap between the two exams, but both will be conducted on the same day. I have to deal with the intelligence test, and you should know that each question paper will be containing 30% easy questions, 40% average question, and 30% difficult level questions. You should be ready for that. Intelligence test consists of different units like comprehension, classification, correlation, series, etc. Moreover, code language, rhythm and sequence, as well as pyramids, reflection, logic and conclusion, and there are topics like puzzles, brain teasers, analysis of figure. We will go through this each topic in a weekly basis. And your question will be in the objective type of question answers, and there will be set A, set B, set C in order to avoid any kind of malpractices. And let me get into the question paper so that you will get familiar with what is it actually. You know that 25 questions will be for testing your language ability. Naturally, from 26 onwards, your intelligence questions will be in part 2 of your question paper. And 26th question here, it is to find out the odd man out from 26 to 29. The odd man is one which is not fit into this: blackboard, notebook, bag, gardener. It's a very simple question. Gardener is not fitting into this. Another question is by giving you figures, a sequence is followed. Maybe the first one is odd, or maybe last one is odd. So we should not think that we will always compare with the first one. But here first one upper, right, bottom, left. It's a clockwise rotated. This one is on the left, up, right, interchanged. ये इधर आना मांगता था, ये इधर जाना मांगता. That means this one is the odd. Now coming to the next, this is from mathematics, I think. Can't say. Someone will look it as 3436, other will look it as 3436, someone look it as 3436. It is up to you how you should approach, because it is up to your intelligence. Now anyway, one is odd in this. I am giving you time to think, otherwise you can pause the video and think for a while before continuing to listening to me, because I will be going to the answer. So अब वीडियो रोक दीजिए and then you think about what can be the answer for this. I think you must have got some idea, whatever it may be, how I thought. I thought in different ways, but I could get almost, it took nearly more than half a minute in order to get the answer. And I found a peculiarity here. The peculiarities are, here it is 36, here it is 25, here it is 49, and here it is 64. That means these are all squares: 6 square, 5 square, 8 square, and 7 square. Something which I observed, I am telling you. Here it is 34, 23, 71, 52. What is in that? Here the first strike happened. 23 means 2 plus 3, 5. This is 5 square. In that case, this is 7 square. In that case, this is 8 square. This one is odd because here it is 3 plus 4, 7, but the square is of 6. So we could pick out the odd from the group. That was maths. This was figure. This was common sense. Here comes alphabets: GSF, DVC, EUD, and KOL. We know that there is all meaningless set of alphabets, and something I observe, F के बाद G आता है, C के बाद D आता है, D के बाद E आता है, L के बाद K नहीं आता है, K के बाद L आता है. So here the odd man. I am not bothered about what is in between those, but it is odd because the order is wrong. Chalo, so this way we can get. Here I have given a clue about the key of answer. This is set B of 2017. So these are the answers, and you don't have this question. I have not posted this question, so you can have these questions. Again, continuing from 2017, see a set of 27th question is given. 1, 2, 6, 21, 88, 2676. इधर तो कितना बड़ा नंबर हो गया, 1 से स्टार्ट होके. मल्टीपल की बात होगा या स्क्वायरिंग के बात होगा, तभी नंबर ऐसा बढ़ के जाता है. 1 became 2, 2 became 6, 6 became 21, 21 became 28. 1, 2, 6, 21, 28. Normally 1 is a very magic number, so here we cannot find out what aspect is a 1. 2 होने के लिए 1 ऐड करने से होता है, फिर कैसे होता है? 1 into 2 से होता है, तो उधर हमको क्लू नहीं मिलेगा. 2 और 6 और 6 और 21 का रिलेशनशिप देखेंगे. 2 6 होने के लिए 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 2 6 होने के लिए 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 2 प्लस 2 किए तो भी 6 होता है, 2 plus 1 into 2 किए तो भी 6 होता है. Now we'll think about 6 के बाद 21. 6 को 21 करना है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन से नहीं होगा, मल्टीपल एडिशन से भी नहीं होगा. 6 plus 1 into 3 से होगा. तो इधर भी किधर हम +1 into 2 किया, +1 into 3 किया, तो नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 21. 21 के साथ +1 into 3 के जगह पे 4 किए तो 88 होता है. सो दिस वी गॉट द आइडिया. दिस इज +1 into 1, +0 into 1, +1 into 2, +1 into 3. Understood? +1 into 4, +1 into 5. This is the answer. 445. After 445, this is 88 plus 1 into 5. 445. 445 plus 1 into 6. 2676. Successfully found. Pause the video and understand what it is. Going ahead, these are figures, pictures. What is here? 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line होगा, तो ये नहीं है. 1 0 2 0 3 0 1 2 3 0 4 0, तो फिर ये भी नहीं है. ये दोनों के बीच में आंसर है. What is the difference between these two? पहले इधर ही देखेंगे. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 पोजीशन ऑफ जीरो में डिफरेंस है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट लाइन जो ओरिजिनल है. फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट उसके लेफ्ट के जीरो मेंटेन किया है, इधर राइट में जीरो मेंटेन किया है. सो विल ही लुक हियर, दिस इज द फर्स्ट लाइन. नेक्स्ट लाइन ऑन राइट साइड जीरो इज हियर. So this is kept empty. This is kept empty. So this must be kept empty. Correct. Always the zero. One line zero here. Third line zero here. Fourth line one. First zero was here. Second zero was in its base. Correct. Third zero is on its left. So it should be here. So here the fourth line, when it comes here, it will remain empty. Empty. Either empty chahiye. So this is wrong. This is odd man. Fourth must remain empty. Right must remain empty. Correct. So that is the odd. Here is a question to find out three figures over here. To find out these three figures, according to me, this question is a tough level question. Because I took little time to analyze this before giving you, and I found it is very tough. But normally how we will think? ऐसे देखे तो हम सोचेंगे ये ट्रायंगल कभी रिपीट होता है देखता हूँ, लेकिन इधर दो के बाद रिपीट होता है, इधर बहुत के बाद रिपीट होता है, तो नहीं चलने वाला है. इधर रिवर्स में देखता हूँ ये स्क्वायर है, फिर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 स्क्वायर है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 स्क्वायर नहीं है, तो स्क्वायर के केस में भी वैसा नहीं है. सो व्हाट इज इट एक्चुअली? एट लास्ट आई फाउंड ए मेथड और आई कुड गेट एन आइडिया. व्हाट आई डिड वाज, ये आपको दूसरा कुछ सॉल्व करने में काम आएगा. व्हाट आई डिड वाज, I just read through this. This is a triangle. Then there is a circle with square bars in that, cross in that. Then there is a square. Then there is a circle. Again there is a square with a cross in that. And it so happened that then I expected that again the triangle will come. It did not come. तो absent हो गया वो. एब्सेंट कैसे लिखूँ आपके लिए? आपके लिए मैं एब्सेंट के लिए कुछ ए लिखना पड़ेगा लगता है. देयर इज नथिंग हियर, नथिंग हो गया, वो गैप डाला है, तो मैं इधर एन लिखता हूँ. फिर नेक्स्ट क्या आया? स्क्वायर आ गया ना, राइट. आफ्टर विच स्क्वायर आ गया, तो इधर स्क्वायर आ गया, दो गैप आ गया, सर्कल आ गया, ये क्रॉस आ गया, देन ट्रायंगल आ गया वापस, देन सर्कल आ गया, फिर ये आ गया. तो मतलब इधर गैप डाला, इधर आया, इधर आया, इधर गैप डाला, ये दोनों नहीं आया, फिर ये आया. फिर क्या हुआ? इधर तक आ गया हम लोग. किधर तक आया? ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 ट्रायंगल आ गया, ये आ गया, फिर ये आ गया, ये आ गया, इधर तक आ गया. इसके बाद डायरेक्ट ही आ गया, फिर ट्रायंगल आ गया, सर्कल आ गया, हमारा क्वेश्चन वाला आ गया 3. फिर 3 क्वेश्चन के बाद ये दोनों नहीं आया, ये आया, देखो. फिर सर्कल आया, फिर अपना क्रॉस आया, फिर ट्रायंगल. आप सोचते हैं कि सर क्या कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मुझे बाद में आंसर में ये नहीं आया, सॉरी, उसको डिलीट करता हूँ. ये आ गया डिलीट, और ये हो गया, ये सर्कल में आया डायरेक्ट, सर्कल में आया डायरेक्ट, सर्कल में आ गया, फिर उसके बाद क्रॉस आ गया, राइट. फिर क्रॉस आने के बाद ट्रायंगल आ गया, फिर विथ क्रॉस आ गया, फिर स्क्वायर आ गया, उधर सीरीज खत्म हो गया। इधर दोनों में एब्सेंट हो गया, फिर इधर और इधर आ गया ट्रायंगल के बाद जीरो, करेक्ट। तो इधर दो एब्सेंट आ गया, इधर दो एब्सेंट आ गया, ठीक। एक्चुअली मुझे क्या समझ में आया, 1 2 3 4 5, these are the 5 different figures, then 2 absent, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 absent, 1 2 3, ये एब्सेंट नहीं है, ये एक्चुअली इधर आना मांगता था, क्या आना मांगता था, स्क्वायर। फिर 4 आ गया, फिर एक सर्कल, ये 5 आ गया, इधर एब्सेंट होगा, इधर एब्सेंट होगा, फिर ये आ जाएगा। तो ये हमारा आंसर है, दिस इज द आंसर। एक स्क्वायर, एक सर्कल, फिर ये, फिर 1 2 3 4 5, दो एब्सेंट, 1 2 3 4 5 हो गया। So this technique, I found that in certain other questions also it comes. So we should have been very clear about it, how that particular thing works. Else you will find it very difficult to answer. Okay, here you will find that problem solved. Here it is numbering went wrong, 1 2 3 4 5 ये है, ये दो absent है. Okay, then this circle comes. Okay, so it's very peculiar type of question, you should be very careful. Comes another, I will not be explaining now, this is from the level of English, understanding the meaning of it. This is observation of vowels in this very easy question, and we are having series over here. Series can be found, we are having rearrangement of meaningful words here also, again series is coming. All these are comparatively easy for you. Then about direction and arrangement, rhythmic arrangement, you should be very interested to do this. It's a particular kind of arrangement, and then you will get the answer at the question mark here, question mark here, question mark here. I am not doing it because your brain should work, because intelligence test is a test of your intelligence which is closely related with your brain. In that case you should put work for it. More you work, more you practice, and more quick you would be. See, in the scholarship exam there won't be any situation like you are not able to answer the question, not getting the answer, but the problem will be you are not getting time to get. That means one who is doing fast will be smarter than one who can do smart is one who is practicing regularly. Here have to take a decision that whenever you get time you will be practicing scholarship papers and scholarship exam related. I have given key for the answers after the video, but you don't switch on that. You should pause the video, get the answer, and check your answer whether it is correct or not. Thank you. Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you. Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.